So often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
A very effective challenge put in.
กิสมันครับเอ้า
And
กิ
he's
ส
through
มัน
here.
ยิงอะไรครับกิสมัน
Oh, how
เอ้า
about that for a tackle?
เนกิตุก
Well, the attack peters out, and that means it's goalkeeper's ball. Enzo Lefebvre. Now Son. Daniel Malen. And possession lost by Real Madrid. He succeeds in clearing it.
ไม่ใช่เทียบ
Kenny Dalglish.
ทุบบอลไม่ได้อีก
He read the situation defensively and did his job.
เน็ตชอบเป็นอย่างนี้
Son. What can Real do from this position? Aware of the threat, solving the problem.
มันเป็นเล่น
Back now to the goalkeeper.
นะ
Oh, a goal! The error seized upon, and the goalkeeper left with egg on his face.
Well, just look at this again. What was he thinking? Too slow, too ponderous, and it's cost them a goal here.
เน็ตมันข้าง
1-0 then. Heung-min Son. Did well to clear it away. Well, not long to go now till we hear the half-time whistle, and Real Madrid still trailing. Stuart, what have you made of their first half?
Well, it's been a tight first half so far, but they haven't quite shown enough guile in the attacking third. If, however, they can be more dynamic in the...
Havertz! Oh, great defending.
บอลอยู่นะ
Griezmann.
กิสมันครับ
And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. So back in business, the ball moving again, and Real with a bit of work ahead of them. Heung-min Son.
ซอนหนีได้ครับ
And
ซอน
teammates
หนี
around
แล้วครั
him.
บซอนเอ้า
Well,
Son.
goal kick, just as it was looking promising.
เอ้า
Doing well to win it back. What can they do from here?
โดนซอนโอ้ย
And well positioned to clear.
โอ้เด่นมันเลย
So half an hour remaining.
จำในกระตุกกระตักไงดู
Havertz. Just the challenge that was required. Daniel Malen. Griezmann. In control, Griezmann as he goes forward. But they took care of the situation defensively.
ทำในกระตุกไง
Bernardo Silva. It's a promising City move. But really sticking to their task defensively. Manchester City have it back now. Griezmann. Well, on the attack, hunting for a late equaliser here.
Well, not much time left now, and these City supporters are doing everything they can to get their team over the finish line. What an atmosphere.
And just 5 minutes remaining.
อ้าวเสร็จเลยครับตรงนี้
This could score the game. And how about that for a save?
โอ้ย
A corner kick, and who knows, this might represent their last chance to grab an equaliser.
ตัวแบบนั้นแหละ
And we will have just one additional minute. On the corner, too close to the goalkeeper that time. And there goes the final whistle. It ends in defeat for Real Madrid